Hello, I'm in Fremantle in Western Australia attending CAUTHE conference. It's the conference of Council of Australasian Tourism and Hospitality Education. Attending academic conferences is part of academic job. It provides opportunities to disseminate knowledge, get feedback on recent research or ongoing research projects, and also helps to network, get new opportunities for research, collaborations, and new projects. So there are so many different conferences taking place, including conferences on tourism and hospitality education. So how do academics choose which conference to attend?
I think as a PhD candidate in tourism, it won't be a mistake if you won't come here. And I think this is a good chance for me to expand my network with other scholars and PhD students in different Australian universities. And I think it's a good chance to talk and to chat and to present your research.
Well, I'm actually a chapter director and I come to CAUTHE quite regularly. And I've had the pleasure of joining CAUTHE a few years back, and the first time I actually joined was the first time where I realized that the community that CAUTHE had would give me an opportunity to really embrace research and collaborate on different ideas. And so, for the past 3 years, obviously we have been quite limited in terms of travel options. So when we finally decided on to having the face-to-face one here in Perth, I was the first one to essentially get all my tickets sorted and come here.
Oh, I think I attended CAUTHE back in 2015. I just love CAUTHE, so I keep coming back to see my older friends and also meet new friends. And also, this is the only conference in Australia and New Zealand focused on tourism and hospitality. You have no other choices.
Well, because I've been coming to CAUTHE conferences for about, 20 years, possibly longer, and it's very nice to come to this part of the world in the European winter, particularly the British winter. But for this year, I've actually combined it with a trip around the world.
As we heard from our interviewees, there are many different perceived benefits of attending a conference. Broadly, they can be summarized as networking and professional advancement. Academics look for opportunities to meet like-minded colleagues, learn about new research in the field, explore ideas for future research, enhance own reputation, get feedback on their research, gain an opportunity to publish the research they presented in conference proceedings or special issues of reputable journals. Attendees are also more likely to attend conference of organizations they are involved in various capacities, for example, being on the board of the association that organizes a particular conference. One of the main determinants of the selection of conference for attendance is the total cost of conference. The total cost of conference combines the cost of registration, cost of accommodation, cost of transportation to get to the conference, and also other expenses such as food and beverage or the attraction. Another important factor is the timing of the conference. It shouldn't clash with major activities of academics such as teaching periods, semester 1, semester 2, and so forth. Also important is the reputation of the organizer of a conference. And that is often measured by the number of times the conference has run in the past, and also by the other reputational aspects of the organizer. Conference location is also important. Typically, preferred destinations for conferences are also the ones that are popular tourist destinations. These could be international cities or could be also well-known resorts. Fremantle is a historic town in vicinity of Perth in Western Australia, so it has quite good accessibility and some sightseeing opportunities around. Social program, available tours, ability to extend the stay or visit friends and relatives all play a role. Due to COVID-19, many conferences in recent years have been cancelled, moved online, or hosted in a hybrid mode. so with both options of face-to-face attendance and online attendance. CAUTHE 2023 is the first conference since 2020 that is held in face-to-face offline mode, and it's great to be here and catch up with many old friends and colleagues.